We've uncovered a toxic mix of hundreds of chemicals hidden within tens of thousands of tonnes of illegal waste at 3 sites across England, which may pose a serious risk to human health.
This is completely unethical, unmoral degradation of the environment and potentially health risks to the general public.
You've got this very complex, heady chemical soup going on.
Sky News has spent the last 6 months working with a group of scientists to test samples from the air, water and soil at a number of illegal waste sites across the country, including this one on the outskirts of Gloucester. What we found is worrying. Hidden in the smoke in Gloucester, we found matches for 763 different chemicals. It is a huge number. A toxic mix that is 4 times higher than what you'd breathe in from a car exhaust. Among them, names such as styrene, ethylbenzene, chlorobenzene and naphthalene. All can cause breathing difficulties, burning eyes and nausea, with long-term exposure linked with neurological problems. Our rapid screen testing has shown strong matches for these dangerous chemicals. There are concerns about the impact they might be having on the environment and the local river, but also the smell affecting the local village of Hynham, including the primary school.
Sometimes we do have to close the windows, especially in the summer. We did smell it from the school, and obviously that impacts children when they're learning, and we've had to keep them from going outside at playtime.
I just think it's absolutely shocking, and just to think that that is what you're breathing in and you're completely unaware of it. The government are just turning a blind eye to it.
What can the ordinary person do about it? You know, you're trapped and you're inhaling all this chemical. It's not now, but is it going to cause long-term health problems and things? It's just not fair, and something needs to be done.
Our samples were taken at source. There are now urgent calls for more widespread testing to be carried out by the government to understand if these dangerous chemicals are posing a risk further away.
There is no argument that you should ignore this and hope the problem goes away. Some of the strongest science which has come out is about how very low level chemical exposures in populations over the long term have health effects which nobody predicted they would have.
We presented all of our evidence to the government. In response, the Environment Agency says its own scientists are now carefully considering our findings. It added that since April they have made 18 arrests linked to illegal waste dumps. The Department for the Environment told Sky News that it's giving the agency an extra £45 million over the next 3 years to try and tackle this growing problem.